4916 Olentangy River Road has one of the most impressive kitchens I've ever seen. As you enter the kitchen, the first thing that will catch your eye is this incredible waterfall kitchen island. This island provides a tremendous amount of space for kitchen prep, but also provides a nice area for people to be able to sit and interact with the chef. The kitchen is equipped with top-of-the-line appliances as well as a very unique range hood. The cabinetry in the kitchen is done very well, which leads into probably one of my favorite features, which is the hidden butler's pantry. Behind two doors lies a very beautiful butler's pantry with quartz countertops, as well as a custom tile backsplash and open shelving. This is a one-of-a-kind feature that you don't see in many houses. The kitchen also features a deep undermount sink as well as beautiful black casement windows.